Have you ever tried grilling vegetables or shrimp only to spend more time chasing food around the grill than actually cooking it? Things slip through the grates, small pieces burn too quickly, and suddenly, a relaxing barbecue turns into constant micromanagement. If that sounds familiar, this is exactly the kind of problem the ivtivfu rolling grill basket is designed to fix. At first glance, the design feels more premium than most basic grill baskets. The 304 stainless steel construction gives it a solid, clean look that immediately feels built for repeated use. The mesh is tightly constructed, which helps hold even small pieces of food securely while still allowing heat and smoke to circulate properly. That balance is what makes a grill basket like this useful in real cooking situations. One of the most noticeable design choices is the removable wooden handle. Instead of a fixed metal grip that gets hot quickly, the beechwood handle provides a more comfortable and heat-resistant experience. It also feels more natural in the hand, especially when you're flipping or rolling the basket over an open flame. The threaded connection keeps it secure, so it doesn't feel loose or unstable during use. The nesting design is another smart touch. Being able to stack the baskets and detach the handles makes storage much easier, especially if you already have a crowded kitchen or camping gear setup. It's one of those features you don't think about until you realize how much space traditional grill tools actually take up. In real-world use, the rolling basket concept is where things get interesting. Instead of individually flipping food with tongs, you can simply roll the basket over the grill. That means more even cooking and less chance of losing food through the grates. Vegetables, shrimp, mushrooms, and diced meats all cook more consistently because they stay contained while still getting direct heat exposure. Heat distribution is generally solid thanks to the stainless steel mesh design. You still get that smoky grilled flavor, but with better control over smaller ingredients. It also reduces flare-ups since food isn't sitting directly on the flame, which can be especially useful when grilling with marinades or oily foods. Cleanup is fairly straightforward. Because it's stainless steel, most residue comes off easily with a brush or rinse. If you've ever struggled with scrubbing burnt vegetables off a grill grate, this alone can feel like a big upgrade. The removable handle also helps make cleaning and storage more convenient. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. Because food is enclosed in a basket, you won't get the same direct grill marks you would from placing food directly on the grates. If those signature char lines are important to you, this may feel like a limitation. Also, while the wooden handle is more comfortable, it does require a bit more care compared to all metal tools. That said, for most casual grillers and campers, those trade-offs are easy to accept. The control and convenience you gain often outweigh the loss of traditional grill aesthetics, especially when cooking smaller or mixed ingredients. Overall, this grill basket is best suited for home barbecue enthusiasts, campers, and anyone who regularly cooks vegetables, seafood, or small cuts of meat on the grill. It's not meant to replace your main grilling surface, but it absolutely enhances it by making tricky foods much easier to manage. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.